Let us learn to compare two-digit numbers using their place value.
Compare the numbers 63 and 45. In 63, 6 is in the tens place, and in 45, 4 is in the tens place. When you compare these two numbers, 6 is greater than 4. So, 63 is greater than 45. The greater number in the tens place is the greater of them. Now compare the numbers 78 and 72. In 78, 7 is in the tens place, and in 72, 7 is in the tens place. When you compare the tens place, you get 7 equal to 7. So we now have to compare the numbers in the ones place. In 78, 8 is in the ones place, and in 72, 2 is in the ones place. Compare the numbers in the ones place. 8 is greater than 2. So 78 is greater than 72. The rule is, if the numbers in the tens place are the same, then compare the numbers in the ones place. Now compare the numbers 86 and 86. Yes, they are equal. 86 is equal to 86. If the numbers in the tens and ones places are the same, then the numbers are equal. Ascending order. Shall we arrange the numbers 46, 32 and 58 from the smallest to the greatest? In 46, 4 is in the tens place. In 32, 3 is in the tens place. In 58, 5 is in the tens place. Now first compare the digits in the tens place and then the numbers in the ones place. Comparing the numbers in the tens place, we find that the smallest number is 32 and the greatest number is 58. So the ascending order is 32, 46 and 58. So ascending order is arranging the numbers from the smallest to the greatest. Descending order. Descending order is arranging numbers from the greatest to the smallest. Let us arrange the numbers 46, 32 and 58 in descending order. By comparing the numbers in the tens place, we get 58, 46 and 32.
We'll see the exercise 16. Write the numbers before and after. So before and after 76, We have 75 and 77. Now let's see 45 before 45, 44 and after 46, right? Solve the next questions in the main. The second main, write the number between. What comes between 55 and 57? Yes, 56. Second one, 79 and 81. Yes, right. 80 is a number that comes between. Now let's see the next. Exercise 17. Circle the bigger number. Which is bigger among 40 and 48? Correct. 48 is a bigger number. And 88, 21. Which is a bigger? Yes, 88 is a bigger number. Now circle the smaller number. 45 and 67. Correct. 45 is a smaller number. Second one, 63 and 47. Yes, 47 is a smaller number. In a similar way, you can write the next questions. Now, 17th exercise. Put a tick on the biggest number and a cross on the smallest number. See the first one. Yes, 91 is the biggest and 16 is smallest. Now tell me the biggest and smallest for the second question. Yes, 81 is big and 50 is small in the given four numbers. Now exercise 18, rewrite the numbers from smallest to biggest or ascending order. Which is the smallest? Yes, 25, 33, 54 and 67. The second one, 23, 35, 57 and 98. Like this, arrange from small number to the bigger number. Second main is quite opposite. This is arranging from big to small. Here big is 90, 87, 77 and 34. And the second question, 73, 56, 43 and 10. Solve the remaining questions.
About place value. Consider the digit 5. This is a single digit number. How will you represent 5? Here I have represented it using 5 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now consider the number 35. This is a 2-digit number. How will you represent this number? The mathematics number system represents numbers using the place value chart, in which the first place starting from the right is the ones place, and the place immediately after the right is the tens place. With respect to class 1, we will be knowing about the ones place and tens place only. So for the number 35, we have 5 ones and 3 tens. Let us see how this can be represented. As I showed you earlier, the 5 ones can be represented using 5 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, how to represent the 3 tens? So, this is a representation of 1 10. Shall we count how many sticks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, there is another 10. So, we have 2 tens now. We need 3 tens. So, we need to add one more set of tens. So, here we have 3 sets of tens. So, how much does this make? 10, 20 and 30. So, we have 3 tens as 30 plus 5 ones, which is 35. This is one way of writing the number in expanded form based on the place value. Let us see another way of writing the number in expanded form based on its place value. As shown earlier, 5 ones is represented here again with 5 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 3 tens is represented by 3 sets of 10 sticks. So the other way of writing the expanded form is 3 tens plus 5 ones, which makes 35. Expanded form of a two-digit number in two ways quickly. The number given here is 8686. In the ones place you have the number 6 and in the tens place you have the number 8. How will you write this in expanded form? We showed you two ways of writing a number in expanded form. One method is 8 tens plus 6 ones makes 86. The other way of representing it is 8 tens makes 80. 6 ones takes the value 6. So 80 plus 6, 86.
Now let's solve exercise 19, which is write in the expanded form. 67 is written as 6 tens, 7 ones and also 60 plus 7. And the 83 is written as 8 tens, 3 ones or 80 plus 3. I hope you will solve the next question. This completes your chapter. Next class will start with a new lesson. Thank you, children.